Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use this app Capcut as teleprompter. So instead of you downloading teleprompter app separately, you can actually use your Capcut. So once you open it, you will see something like this: photo editor, camera, auto cut, and all that. So click on this expand. Click on, you see this now, you can see it here, teleprompter. That's the last column. You can even move it up for easy access. You click on teleprompter, then you click on, so okay, so this is it. Once you click on teleprompter, it's going to bring you to your page like this. So this is 15 seconds. This is if you are making like 15 seconds video. This is 60 seconds, and this is 3 minutes, right? So now let's talk about this. If you look at this plus, this thing that looks like plus sign is a widget which you can move anywhere you like. This other one is a text that you're going to edit your text. Why this last arrow you're seeing here is settings, right? So let's start with this text to edit our text. So this is pre-template, so you can delete these ones and put in your scripts. So I'm just going to be using the same scripts that we like to talk about here. You see here, hello guys, my name is Saka Maria, and I would like to share with you how you can consider using teleprompter on Capcut. Okay, so this is my script. Let's assume this is my script. I'm going to click on done. You can see. So now I'm going to click on this last arrow that I talk about, these settings. So you can slow it. You see, you can fast it. You can see the way it's getting fast. You can reduce it. It's now slow. It all depends on you. So then this place is to make the font. You can see font size. You can increase it. You can reduce it, right? Then you can as well change the highlighted text. It's on yellow now. I can change it to blue. You can see. Change it to different color, but I'm just going to leave it at yellow. So once you are done with that and you are sure everything is set, all you need to do is just to click on this thing that looks like camera where your 3 minutes is. You click on it to start recording. So let's go. So you actually cannot hear me here because I'm using my screen recording. So that's why I had to just overlay this voice on this. So by the time I'm done recording this now, I'm going to play the final layout. So just stay with me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this. Okay, please subscribe, share this video with your friends that they also create content. All right, so let's go ahead to save this. I'm done. So you just click on this mark mark. My name is Saka Maria, and I would like to share with you why you should consider using teleprompter on Capcut. Why download Capcut? Okay, yeah, so that's the video. That's the recorded video. Okay, the next you want to do now is you can, like I said, you can edit your text. I can use a text here to put do you know you can use teleprompter on your Capcut? Okay, so I'm just going to reduce it. Let's assume you just have something to place, a text or something. Reduce it, put it here. Then I'm going to drag it. Okay, I'm going to drag it there. Then after that is done, I'm going to edit the text and give it a background. Okay, I'm going to come to front here. You can change the font from just the same thing you're doing on Capcut. You can change the text. You can change the label. So I'm going to give it something like this. Then increase it, right? Okay, this is okay. So if you want auto caption, of your text, you can just click on auto caption. Then you click on generate. I don't want this auto caption. I'm just going to. My name is Saka Maria, and I would like to. So I can add other things. You can come down here and add whatever things you want to add to it, right? You can adjust your clips. You want to cut some part away and all. So there are a lot of things you can do, okay, from here. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful content. Thank you.